Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the Bear Player application to your FireStick device. This is going to be a working method, and the reason I'm doing this video is because the previous video I did on how to install Bear Player, I got a lot of comments of people saying that the code has expired or the code has stopped working and so on. So I decided to create a new video on a method that I can guarantee that it will always work on Fire TV device. So please make sure to watch right up to the end. It's going to be a long process, but if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So the reason I'm doing this video again is I want to create a method. I want to share a method that even 6 months from now or a year from now, it will still work on any Fire TV device that allows side loading. So that's it. Let's get started. As I said, it's a long process, so please follow step by step as I'll try to show every single step you need to follow. Now, the very first thing for you to do on your Fire TV device is to install the download application. We are going to be needing it, and I'll show you why we need it. So the install downloader is very simple. Just go back to the find button, click on downloader or search downloader, and you're going to get it over here. So here's the download application. I'm going to download it to my Fire TV. I click download and then I just wait for it to quickly download to my Fire TV device. Please follow this attentively. This is a long process, but I can guarantee you that even 6 months from when I created this video, this is still going to work. Even if Bear Player has been updated, this method is still going to work on your Fire TV device. So just give it a couple of seconds for the downloader to download. This depends on your internet speed. Mine is not that fast. So just give a couple of seconds for the application to quickly download to your Fire TV device. So please, I also want to recommend us while using Fire TV device, it is very important for you to use a VPN, because a VPN kinds of unlocks certain content depending on where you are. So you're in a country that blocks certain content, you can always use a VPN. It's very important. I recommend NordVPN or any other VPN, but NordVPN is the best. So when downloader opens, just go ahead and launch it. So my Fire TV is telling me my battery is low. Just ignore that for now. So once you open downloader for the very first time, just click on allow and then click OK over here. So the reason we install downloader is because we need to install an application that we are going to use to install the Bear Player. I'm not going to use a code to install the Bear Player. The previous video I did on how to download and install Bear Player, I used a code, and that's why I got comments from people just 2 weeks later telling me that the code has expired, and I could not keep on doing videos over videos upon the same thing. So I'm going to go a longer way here, or a longer method without using a code to install the Bear Player, but I'm going to show you something that will definitely work. So rather, what we're going to do here, we're going to use a code to install the unlinked library. So if you know the unlinked library, you know what it is, but if you don't, then please follow attentively as I show you what next to do. So once you're here, type in this code, and I can guarantee that even 6 months from now, this code is still going to work. So the code is 10381. I've been using this code for over 1 year or over 2 years by now, and it always works. So this is the code to install unlinked. So just go ahead and click OK and go ahead and launch. And this is going to bring us to the download page of the unlinked app. So what you just have to do here, just to sit and wait for the application to redirect and download to your Fire TV device. Once it's downloaded, we're going to install it, and I'll show you what steps to follow next. So here's the application. It's going to download. Just give a couple of seconds. Once it's done downloading, it's just going to automatically ask us to install. So we're going to install the application now to our Fire TV and install. Now I just want to say that some of these applications, FireStick released a new version, I think last year, the FireStick Select, and it does not support the Android operating system. So if you're using you're using a FireStick that doesn't have the Android operating system, then this will not work for you. I'm sorry. So anyway, the application has been downloaded. Just close downloader and return home. So if I return home, we are going to go over to our app library, and the unlinked library is going to be there, or the unlinked app is going to be there. Here's it over here. So we'll go ahead and launch the unlinked, and this is how unlinked looks like. Now unlinked has lots of libraries that you can use to install tons of other applications. Even though this video is specifically on how to install Bear Player, but even if you still follow this method, you'll still be able to install other applications to your Fire TV that are not Bear Player. But anyway, I just want to say that if you're looking for different unlinked codes that you could use on your Fire TV device, check my YouTube channel. I created videos, or have created a couple of videos on different unlinked libraries. I even created a video on my best unlinked library for FireStick device. You can check out that video, and if you like it, let me know. So once you're here, the unlinked library we're going to be using is called FireStick. Just go here and type in FireStick. Please use upper cases, even though it doesn't really matter, but I'll prefer for you to use upper cases. And type in FireStick. So please, FireStick is one word, not two words. FireStick. That's the name of the unlinked library. Please, it's not fire. It's not fire. It's FireStick. So this is what you're supposed to type. And this is one word, please. FireStick device. Now, also, I've gotten complaints from people telling me that the code or the library, when they type it, it doesn't work on a FireStick device. And there are many reasons for that. One of the reasons is that you type two words, FireStick. There is no space between fire and stick. It is one word. Another reason is because you could use a spacing at the end. Please do not use space at the end. And maybe at times it's just your internet. So please make sure you have stable internet. So as you type in the code, just go ahead and launch, and then it's going to bring you to this library, and click enter. Since we're looking for a bear player, I'm not going to go straight to what we need here. So once you go over here, come straight away to this app here. Here's the bear player we're looking for. So this will continuously be updated. So if you're using this, let me just go over to libraries or media player. So come over here. This app will always be updated. So if you're using this, or if you're watching the video, maybe 6 months from now, you realize that it has been updated. As you can see on my screen here, it shows that this app was updated on January 28th. That's just like 6 days ago. That's why I say this method is always going to work, because the app will consistently keep being updated here. Anyway, so once you're here, just click on download, and the application is going to download to your Fire TV. Just give a couple of seconds for the app to download, and as I said, this will always be updated. If you're watching this video 6 months from now or a year from now, you realize that the application has been updated, or the update date has changed compared to the one that you are currently seeing on my screen of January 28, 2026. They're currently seeing on my screen. And these are other media players also that you can install from this same library. The other media players, if you're looking for other media players, you can also install them. But for this video, we are focused on just the bear player applications. So it's taking a lot of time to download. This is because my internet speed is not that fast. So please just bear with me while the application downloads. So when the app is done downloading, what you need to do now is just click on install over here, and then you'll be able to install the application to your Fire TV device. It's as simple as that. Just wait for a couple of seconds, and then it will install to your Fire TV device. And if you return to your app library, you're going to find the application has been installed. So that's how to install a bear player to your FireStick device. Let's just return to my app library, and I'll show you that the application has been installed. So if I go over here and I go to the last app, you'll see the bear player. Oh, why is it not here yet? So here's it. I think it said installed. Alright, so here's the application over here, and you can start using it. So that's it about this video. If you find it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.